comes in color options of blazing blue and electric green, fiery red and mighty black. The phone has display of 16.58 cm, 6.53 inch, and 2340 by 1080 pixels resolution. 394 pixel density and 19.5:9 aspect ratio. The phone also has FHD Plus multi-touch capacitive touchscreen and the Go. It has 48MP quad rear camera and HDR. It has 8MP front camera. It has ultra-wide, macro mode and portrait, scene recognition and night mode. It comes with 6000 mAh large lithium polymer battery 18 watts. It has 4GB RAM, 64GB internal memory and expandable memory up to 512GB. It supports dual SIM plus dedicated SD card slot. It runs on Android V10 operating system and open apps. It is powered by up to 2.0 GHz clock speed Qualcomm Snapdragon and 662 octa-core processor. It also features dual SIM, infrared and email, accelerometer, ambient light sensor and GPS. The delivery box contains handset, power adapter and USB cable. SIM eject tool, warranty card and user guide.